Want to create a Minecraft server for version 1.2.1.6 so you can fly around with a happy GUI and play with friends? In this guide, we'll show you exactly how to set up a Minecraft 1.2.1.6 server. Let's begin. First, go to Google and search for Minecraft server download. This will take you to the official page where you can get the latest server.jar file. Look for the version labeled Minecraft_server, titik satu, titik dua, satu, titik num, jar. Click the download link, and your browser will prompt you to save the server.jar file. This file is safe to download. Important note, the server we're setting up in this tutorial will run on your own computer. This means you'll need a reasonably capable PC to host it, and it will use your home internet connection. This method is intended only for friends, family, or people you trust, as sharing your IP can pose security risks. Once the server.jar is downloaded, you'll need to extract it. The downloaded file won't open directly, so you'll need to use an unzipping program of your choice, like WinRAR or 7-Zip. Extract the contents into a new folder on your desktop, name it something like Minecraft 1.2.1.6 server. After the server runs, it will generate several files. Look for the eula.txt file. Open it with a text editor like Notepad and change the line that says eula equals false to eula equals true. Save the file and close it. Then double-click the server.jar again to start your server. You'll know it's running when you see Done in the console window. Afterwards, open Minecraft and tap Play. Then select Multiplayer or Servers. Note, I'm using a free trial version, so the exact Add Server option may look different for me, but in the full game, you'll see it clearly. Once there, choose Add Server or Direct Connect. Give your server a name, and enter localhost as the address if you're playing on the same computer. That's all it takes. You've now created your own Minecraft 1.2.1.6 server. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.